Hey guys, it's Sid with SVTPerformance.com. As you can see, here with my TopLift Pro, our Bronco Raptor. A few months back, we shot a video showing you how this thing can really help you get that rear section of the top off any Bronco, not just a Bronco Raptor. And we've used the thing for a few months and it's been great, but TopLift has an upgrade that we're going to add that I think will make it even better. It is an electric motor kit that goes on this area right here, and instead of this thing being manual, it'll now be electrically actuated. So if you can add electric motors to make your life easier, why not do it? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to upgrade our TopLift Pro, show you guys how it works. So this isn't exactly going to be a how-to video. It comes with really good instructions in the box, but I just wanted to show off some of the parts. This is the actual 12-volt linear actuator that will get bolted on. It's a really nice looking little piece. But like I said, the instructions are really good on this. You don't need me to show you how to bolt it all together. If you get one of these, really easy to handle yourself. So we've got everything bolted up here. As you can see, it fits very nicely. It's a well-engineered piece. Got our cables ran. There's the control switch. Let's go give it a shot. So we've got the TopLift lined up here. All we've got to do is pull in on the handbrake, press up on the linear actuator button, and then the TopLift will do all the work for you. And that's it. Now you can just pull back. This thing rolls really nicely on concrete. You do have to keep an eye on your electrical cord as you pull back, but other than that, that's it. To reverse the process, you just push it back forward, line up your dowel pins, drop her down. It's pretty simple. So final thoughts on adding the electric actuator to the TopLift. I already like the TopLift Pro because it just makes taking this top off a whole lot easier. You don't have to call over for two of your buddies to come help you out. You can just do it by yourself. This just makes the job even easier. And it makes it smoother. That's the big thing for me, is without that, you're pressing down on this lever, and if you have shoulder problems or back problems or something like that, you can be a little jittery on this thing. The electric motor makes this thing really, really smooth. And to me, smooth is stable, stable is safe. I think that's almost a safety feature. Speaking of safety features, I left the park paw actuator just like it came. I didn't adjust it or anything. I like having the control of dropping this where I want it, take the pressure off the linear actuator, but the big thing is you don't want to press down on this button without holding in that paw, because you would have this thing pulling down and it could cause something to break in here. So that's just something that's a personal preference of mine. I like it this way. Your mileage may vary. As for the ups and pluses and minuses of this system, pluses, it's way easier to use. It's more steady. I feel like it's safer. Minuses, you do have a power cord now. Now you can put a battery in this. You do have 12-volt leads that TopLift gives you, so if you want to, you could just get like a lawnmower battery or something, drop in that box. But as it comes from TopLift, it's AC powered. There's nothing wrong with that. The other thing to keep in mind is with this installed, there is no manual option anymore. You would have to disconnect the electric linear actuator in order to actuate this manually. So if power goes out or something and your top's up, you're going to have to hook up a generator or a battery or something like that to figure it out if you want to put your top back on or take it off, depending on what you want to do. To me, that's no big deal. I'm not really worried about that, but it is something to keep in mind. As far as build quality and everything goes, just like you can go back and look at the old video, I'll put the link in the description below of the TopLift itself. All this stuff is really nice hardware. I like the little crescent shaped spacers they give you. Just everything is nice. They even include the zip ties to zip tie the cables out of the way. If I had one complaint about this entire system, I wish they gave me black zip ties for all this, but I'll probably go back and change that myself. That's just my OCD kicking in. But other than that, you can run your cables down this way, and it's really, really nice. So I think this is a pretty good upgrade. I would definitely do this again. I'm glad that I bought it. And to me, it makes it just that much easier to get the top off your Bronco. Pretty nice. Thing rolls really nicely on concrete too. So check it out. If you're interested in this, I've got a link down in the description below. It is an affiliate link, so if you do want to purchase one of these, it does help out the channel a little bit. And I think it gets you a little discount, so definitely check that out if you want to save a few bucks on a TopLift Pro or any of the TopLift hardware, accessories, things like that. Check out the link in the description below. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you next time.